So this is my first day taking out the GoPro Hero 10, and I discovered a problem at the very end of my filming. So we were motorcycling most of the day. I had previously recorded about 30 or more clips that were anywhere from like 1 to 3 minutes in length. I'm recording at 5K, 60 frames a second, and what ended up happening is the final clip you'll see next was the conclusion of the ride. For whatever reason, it lost all stabilization. So as this clip ends, you'll see the starting of the next clip, which is right here. All the stabilization is gone. In fact, it's even worse. It's like it's more exaggerated. The audio comes through just fine, so there's no acceleration in the speed of the video. The audio is normal, but for some reason, this was the result after filming this clip. I have not taken the device back out to try it again to see if this was an isolated incident or not. But the bummer is that this was the last section of trail that I wanted to capture something of to conclude the ride, and that footage is lost. So it kind of screws up my whole, plan for the day. If any of you have had similar experience with the GoPro Hero 10, if you think this is related to the overheating issues I've seen others post, let me know in the comments. Thanks very much. Bye.